Hello there, in this video we will be seeing how to install Python for Windows. So let's search Python. So the latest version is around 11. So we need to search Python download. You can use any browser. I am using currently the Edge. And on the first you will get the website download Python. You can see the current release is download Python 3.11. So 3.11 version is latest. Simply click on that button. So it's now downloaded here. Now open the file. Now there is something that you need to know. Here it will give two options. One is you need to customize the installation or you want to install it like as the given, which means it will directly install it in your C drive. So generally if you are using it for development and want access to whole hard drive or want admin privileges, so prefer this option. Else you can go into the customized installation. And I would also recommend you to go for this first one, that is the recommended path. And at the time of installation only, you need to do one thing so that you won't be worrying later, as because if you forget to add it to the path, so the thing would be that you would not be able to access directly in the command prompt. So simply click here while installing only, so it will directly add the Python to the path directory, which is in your local Windows path. So now click on install now. It will ask for like, do you want to allow changes to your system? Simply click on yes, it will do the changes accordingly on the hard drive. Click yes. You can see it's now getting installed. You need to wait for a few seconds. So it will show setup in progress. Just be patient and keep it so that it can install properly. So till it is getting installed, we will also try here installing the Visual Studio Code. I can recommend you some of the IDs, like if you are trying for IDs. Okay. If you are trying for some IDs, so you can use it. One is Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is the lightweight and developed by Microsoft. So it has some kind of extensions which will let you run the Python and Java code directly in your Visual Studio Code environment. But it gives a lot of suggestion. So if you don't want suggestion from the site or you want to do it from yourself, you can use Notepad++. Okay, you can use Notepad++. Okay. Then you can try Atom. Currently the Atom website I think is facing some problems, so it is not able to getting downloaded. So it is atom.io, I think, the exact website name. So you can check if it is available now. So these are basically recommended for you as an ID, and the best ID for the Python is currently Pycharm, which is very much good if you want to develop any project and do a development completely. So Pycharm is enough for that. Okay, this is the Pycharm. Okay, so first we will try to download this Visual Studio Code. Simply select it, search the Visual Studio Code. You will get the not the first link. This is not that. some kind of head, go the below link, which is that Microsoft one. Or if you are using the Edge, so you can directly download it. Okay. So I am following this link. This is that one. .microsoft.com. This is the official website. Okay. But now it is for different framework. Okay. So this we don't have to download. This one is for different. It is for .NET developers and something. We want this. This is for all the language supports. Simply click on download Visual Studio Code. Below that, click on download for your Windows if you are using Windows, Linux if you are using that, and Mac for you if you are using Mac. So download Visual Studio Code and click on Windows install. Till you are installing this, you can check if you have got installed the Python. So your setup was successful and the Python was installed. Now there is two options that will be coming. That is, one is disable the path length limit. So it will changes your machine configuration and allow the programs, including Python, to bypass the character limit. So I won't recommend this because there should be limit to the character size defined. So do not check this. Close it. Now simply we have done this. We have got Visual Studio Code downloaded. Now simply click on Visual Studio Code setup to open this setup. It will take some time. Click on accept the agreement since you accept some terms and conditions here. Next. Now this will also be recommended to install it into your C drive, which is the basic drive for admin privileges and all. So use this drive for installing Visual Studio Code. You can simply click on next. Don't create a start menu if you want. You can check it out. Or remains as it is. Click on next. Click on create desktop icon, and rest all is good. You can click on next and install. So this is getting installed. Till then you can check other IDs. What is recommended? Let's check out some Notepad++. What is it and should we download it? So that Notepad++ is also good. It will have some kind of, like if you have using brackets, so it will suggest like you have opened the bracket, you don't have, you haven't closed it. So it will recommend you to close it. Like this, some kind of basic features are there. So if you want this kind of features, you can install this Notepad++. I currently do not have need of this, so I will prefer Visual Studio Code. Next is atom.io. You can check it out, atom.io. This is lightweight text editor, or you can say like IDE. Now I think it is available, so you can download it. Earlier it was facing some error when I was trying to download it, but now the setup is available. This is the website official one. At last, there is a ID that is called Pycharm. Simply click on search the web. This is by JetBrains. The official website will be by JetBrains. So this is the best that I have ever thought. This ID is very good, as I developed my earlier projects in this. That was an e-commerce website, so I would definitely recommend this. And recommendation is based on like you don't have to install community version. This is paid. You can simply you don't have to install the professional version, that is paid. You can go with the community, that is free. Yeah. So these are getting downloaded. Till then you have got a Visual Studio Code installed here. Click on finish. Now this will automatically recognize your Python.